Ever craved for a dessert but worried about your diet plan? If yes, then buckle up as we introduce you to the amazing world of healthy desserts. A world where lavish indulgence doesn't mean compromising your nutrition requirements. A universe where every bite you savor, every morsel you chew, is bursting with the goodness of ingredients that are as wholesome as they are delicious. Imagine this. You're sinking your teeth into a decadent chocolate delicacy, but instead of the empty calories you'd typically associate with such a treat, this one is loaded with superfoods like fruits, nuts, and rich dark chocolate. Yes, it's possible, and yes, it's every bit as tasty as it sounds, maybe even more so. These aren't your run-of-the-mill desserts that weigh you down with guilt after the last bite. Instead, these are desserts that tantalize your taste buds without wreaking havoc with your diet plan. They're the desserts that satiate your sweet cravings, yet manage, almost miraculously, to keep your healthy eating regime on track. Isn't that just a dream come true? You get to relish the best of both worlds, the sweetness that you so desire, and the health benefits that you so need. Healthy desserts are not just about cutting down on sugar and adding in fruits. They're about making intelligent choices, integrating foods that are dense in nutrients, and reducing sugar without sacrificing the taste. These desserts strike the perfect balance between health and indulgence. They are a testament to the fact that eating healthy doesn't mean giving up on the foods you love. It just means finding a smarter, healthier way to enjoy them. So, does the idea of guilt-free, delicious desserts sound intriguing? Stay tuned as we dive into some mouth-watering recipes. Our inaugural recipe on our list is a fruity, nutty delight. To concoct this heavenly delight, it calls for a medley of fruits, a fair share of mixed nuts, and a drizzle of honey. The beauty of this dish is the freedom it offers. You could choose your dearest fruits for this recipe, but do bear in mind that having apples, bananas, and a range of berries can work wonders. Now, when we talk about the nuts, we're considering almonds, walnuts, and pecans, however. Feel free to mix and match to cater to your individual taste preferences. Let's take the first step. Firstly, you'll need to meticulously chop your chosen fruits into bite-sized pieces and toss them gently into a bowl. Then it's time to roughly chop your mixed nuts. Here's a tip. Keep them chunkier rather than finely chopped to maintain that gratifying crunch, which will leave you wanting more. Once chopped, carefully toast the nuts in a dry pan over a medium flame. This step is crucial as it enhances their natural flavor, making them even more irresistible and delectable. The next step involves a drizzle of honey. Drizzle just the right amount over the fruits and toss them until they're evenly coated. The honey not only binds the fruit and nuts together, but also adds a natural sweetness that complements the flavor of the fruits beautifully. This is where precision is a must, as a little goes a long way. The goal is to aim for a hint of sweetness, not a sugar overload that might overpower the natural flavors of the fruits. And then now comes the star of the show, the pièce de résistance, the nuts. Sprinkle those toasted delicacies over the honey-drizzled fruits, giving the mix a thorough stir to ensure everything is well combined. Voila! You have your fruity nutty delight ready. This delight a symphony of flavors and textures, the sweet and tangy fruits, the crunchy nuts, and the subtle sweetness of honey, all dance together harmoniously to create a mouth-watering dessert. And the best part? It's as nutritious as it is delicious. Fruits are nature's candy. They're packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, while nuts provide healthy fats, protein, and essential minerals. This dessert serves as a testament to the fact that health and taste can coexist in harmony. The blend of nutrients and flavors demonstrates that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or bland. So, when you're hit with a sugar craving, why not whip up a batch of this fruity nutty delight? It's not only easy and quick to prepare, but also satiates those sweet cravings without steering you away from your healthy eating plan. So remember, the next time you're yearning for a dessert, try making this fruity nutty delight. It's a perfect balance of taste and health. So that's how you make the fruity nutty delight, a dessert that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Enjoying these recipes so far? That's great. Your support fuels us to create these healthy delights. If you're finding value, please hit like. It's just a click away. Why not subscribe? It's free and ensures you won't miss any of Tasty Creations. We appreciate your feedback, so don't hesitate to comment. Now, let's move on to our next irresistible recipe. Next up, we have a decadent dark chocolate bliss, a dessert that is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a delight for your health. Known for its rich, indulgent taste, dark chocolate possesses a charm that tantalizes the senses, while also providing numerous health benefits. Our delicacy, the dark chocolate bliss, is a perfect amalgamation of taste and wellness. The ingredients for this indulgence are simple, wholesome, and accessible. Start with high-quality dark chocolate, the essence, the protagonist of our dark chocolate bliss. This is the star of our show, so choose a bar with at least 70% cocoa. You might wonder, why so specific? Why the fuss about the percentage? The answer lies in the health benefits that dark chocolate provides. Dark chocolate with 70% or more cocoa is packed with beneficial minerals and antioxidants. It's a powerhouse of goodness that's often overlooked due to its association with indulgence. The high cocoa content ensures you get the maximum dose of these benefits. Next, we introduce a touch of natural sweetener. A hint of honey or maple syrup works wonders here. Remember, we're crafting a dessert that's low in sugar but high in flavor. We're walking the fine line between indulgence and health, and our sweetener is our balancing act. Let's not forget the heart-healthy nuts. The almonds, the walnuts, the hazelnuts. Choose what your heart desires. These little powerhouses not only add a delightful crunch to our dark chocolate bliss, but also are loaded with essential nutrients and healthy fats. A crunch that will surprise you in every bite, and a nutrition profile that makes this dessert a powerhouse of wellness. To prepare this, begin by melting your dark chocolate over a double boiler until it's silky smooth. Keep stirring, watch the chocolate melt, see the transformation from a hard bar to a soft, luscious mixture. Stir in your sweetener, then let the mixture cool slightly. Once it's cooled, fold in your choice of nuts. Observe how they blend in, adding their own unique texture to the mix. Carefully pour this glossy mixture onto a parchment-lined tray and spread it out evenly. Sprinkle a few more nuts on top if you like, adding an extra crunch to the top layer. Then, with a gentle push, pop the tray into the fridge. Let your dark chocolate bliss set for about 2 hours or until firm. Once it's set, break it into pieces. Big, small, whatever you prefer. But it's not just about the taste. Dark chocolate is a true superfood. It's rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, and several other minerals. It boasts potent antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in your body. Studies have even shown that eating dark chocolate can improve heart health and brain function. So not only is this dessert delightfully indulgent, it's also tremendously beneficial. And voila, your dark chocolate bliss is ready to be savored. Savor this guilt-free treat that satisfies your sweet cravings while also nourishing your body. This dessert is a testament to the fact that a little bit of indulgence is a key part of any healthy lifestyle. So, go ahead, have a piece, and indulge in the bliss that is dark chocolate. Our final recipe for today is a fresh berry yogurt parfait. A berry yogurt parfait is a mouth-watering concoction of harmonious elements that enthralls the senses. It's an alluring blend of sumptuous creaminess, delightful crunch, and the irresistible brilliance of fresh fruit. This heavenly dessert isn't just a mere dish, it's a symphony of flavors and textures that never fails to enthrall the palate. What makes it even more appealing is the aesthetically striking layers that it boasts of. The layers are a vibrant dance of luscious yogurt, crispy granola, and an assortment of the freshest, juiciest berries. This breathtaking view, coupled with a tantalizing taste, makes the berry yogurt parfait a dessert that stands out in every aspect. So, what treasures do you need in your culinary chest to craft this masterpiece? The ingredients are simple yet powerful. You start with a base of creamy, unsweetened Greek yogurt, which lends a smooth and silken texture. Add to this your preferred choice of granola that brings a delightful crunch, creating a beautiful contrast to the creamy yogurt. And finally, the star ingredient, a selection of fresh, vibrant berries. Raspberries, blueberries, strawberries. The choice is purely dependent on your preference. The berries offer a refreshing burst of fruity sweetness that's perfectly balanced, overpowering. And for those who love a touch of extra sweetness, feel free to drizzle in some honey or agave nectar for that sweet caress. Preparing this dessert is as easy as it is enjoyable. It's in the simple act of layering the magic unfolds. Begin by placing a generous spoonful of yogurt at the base of your chosen glass or jar, creating a creamy canvas for the granola to land. Follow it up with a layer of your chosen granola, and then a layer of the fresh, juicy berries. Repeat these layers in the same order, each layer showcasing its unique texture and taste until you reach the top of the glass. The final touch is a layer of berries that crowns the parfait, making it a visual treat. Interestingly, this berry yogurt parfait is not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a blessing for your health. Nature's tiny powerhouses, berries are loaded with antioxidants that offer protection to your cells from damage. They are also high in fiber, a nutrient that is crucial for a healthy digestive system and to keep you satisfied for longer periods. And let's not forget the Greek yogurt, an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, a trifecta that supports a healthy gut. All these elements together transform this dessert into one that's both nutritionally rich and deliciously pleasing. This berry yogurt parfait serves as an ideal light breakfast, a satisfying mid-afternoon snack, or a sweet finish to a meal. But the charm of this recipe is its adaptability. You have the freedom to experiment with various berries, granola types, or even toss in some nuts or seeds for added nutrition and crunch. This flexibility encourages you to make the dessert truly your own, enjoying the process of creating something beneficial for your health that also tastes unforgettable. And there you have it, a refreshing berry yogurt parfait to satisfy your sweet tooth. Well, there you have it, folks, 3 healthy dessert recipes to tickle your palate without disrupting your diet. We explored the fruity nutty delight, a nutritious blend of fruits and nuts. Then we plunged into the dark chocolate bliss, a treat full of antioxidants. Lastly, we presented the berry yogurt parfait, a light dessert full of protein and antioxidants. Remember, these recipes are flexible, ready for your personal tweaks regarding ingredients or dietary requirements. Let us know if you've been inspired to shake up your dessert routine. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support helps us bring more such delicious and healthy recipes to you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep indulging your sweet tooth the healthy way.